Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my favorite way to make the best coffee at home every single time. What you'll need is one of these. Moka pot. Moka pot is basically an Italian little pot. Well, it's not really Italian, a lot of European countries use it. However, in my opinion, it's the best way because it's around 30 euros, so maybe 30 pounds roughly. I'll put a link in the description. Usually bialetti is the best one. Should be around between 20 to 30 pounds. My one in particular is for 3 cups, so they come in large sizes, small size, one person. So the reason why this is the best coffee and the cheapest coffee maker thing, in my opinion, is because you only buy it once and that's it. It will give you good quality as if you go to an actual coffee shop. The only thing you need to spend money on is coffee beans or ground coffee. I would highly recommend Lavazza. I'm not affiliated with any of these brands or anything. I'm just using what my mum used as I grew up, and it's pretty damn good and it lasts a long time. So only buy the pot once, buy your beans, grind your beans if you fancy. I like to grind my beans, and I mean beans or grounded coffee usually costs about £5 to £4. So, and when you go to the coffee shop, each coffee is about £3.50, £4. So actually, you can do the math for yourself. This is a really cost-effective way of making coffee. And let's get to it. So straight to the point, first thing you'll need to do is open one of these bad boys up, and as you'll see you have a little filter. Just grind your beans or get ground beans, pour them into the little shell thing, and then just pat it down gently. I would recommend putting hot boiling water into the actual pot. Make sure not to go over the little hole, it will ruin the boiling process. The reason why I would recommend using hot water rather than cold water is because as the water is starting to boil, the pot gets hot and you will actually burn the coffee, leaving you with a bitter coffee, which is why this thing gets a bad name. Get a clean towel just to stop yourself from burning when you close it. Put it on a stove. I would recommend the lowest setting if you've got a gas stove. If you've got an electric stove, 4 to 5 or 6, try it out. Make sure when the coffee runs out of the pot, it's actually smooth and it's flowing gently, not all crazy. That's not good, don't do it. And then, there you go, you have delicious coffee. What's your favorite way of making coffee? Let me know. For me, this is the best.